Hello guys, let's talk today about how to set up the Litokam camera. So it's pretty easy. As you can see, I have the camera here and another one already working there on my window. So two cameras. Here on my cell phone, I can see the camera number 2. And the camera number 1 is just right here, not working yet. But as you can see, there's an LED blinking here that indicates that the camera is ready to connect. And you can also hear a voice saying ready to connect. Make sure you have this. If you don't, you just need to reset the camera. Here's the reset button. You need to press and hold and then reset the camera to bring the camera to this status that's ready to connect, all right? So let's just set up this camera. Let's just come here to the application and you click here on add device. Select your camera. I confirm that the indicator is blinking. Click here and click next. And here I need to select the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Don't select 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So if you have a router with both frequencies, you're gonna see here the one that your cell phone is using, right? So if you're using a different one, you just need to change your cell phone and use the correct one with 2.4 gigahertz. Otherwise, it's not gonna work, right? I have here my 2.4 gigahertz working for my cell phone. So the camera get it, and here I have the password. I just click next, and here's the QR code. So just need to approach the camera to this QR code. Here we go. And then the camera can read it.
Start connect.
Okay, so it's going to connect now. Just read the QR code and told me that the connection is successful. I heard the prompt. I click here and just wait for the camera to connect. So pretty simple. It says here that's already connected and I'm ready to go. Click done here. Wait for the cell phone connect to the camera. I'm just click here retry. I'm getting a hard time here to connect. Now it's gone. Okay, it's connected, right? So sometimes you see that message retrieving video and you just click to try again and you're ready to go. Okay, so here it's working, as you can see. So pretty good, pretty easy, okay? So that's the way you set up your Litokam camera and have it working with your cell phone. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.